What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're going to be talking about some good old tech news. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, you guys are in for a treat because you want to hear that joke. So you guys might remember me. I'm the one who went crazy. So I'm gonna be doing the joke, and the joke is, hey, wait a minute. Hey, I need a mic. That's right. And the joke is, why did the seagulls not fly over the sea? Come on, you know this joke. Because if they flew over a bay, there would be bagels. The S22 Ultra has been in the headlines for its Olympic camera. While the Ultra version of the S22 series has been getting all of the love, nothing has been said about its younger siblings, the S22 and the S22 Plus. It's obvious Samsung wants to push its more expensive model to consumers, but that is about to change today. The S21 and the S21 Plus use the same camera hardware as the predecessor. However, none of those variants had a dedicated telephoto camera. What is Samsung decided to do was they decided to use a 64 megapixel camera and crop it to get a 3x hybrid zoom. Now, there isn't anything wrong with that, and it still has some really great camera quality. However, having a telephoto camera is always better because it offers awesome details at native zoom levels. Samsung will change its philosophy on how it will deal with its lesser S series models. Basically, the standard S and the Plus variant. For next year's models, they will include a proper 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Not only these phones will get a makeover with upgraded cameras, but they could also be getting a 50 megapixel main sensor. The same one on a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. The GN2 sensor made by Samsung will offer outstanding photo and video quality. Some will even say Xiaomi camera module is better than the S21 Ultra's 108 megapixel camera. Samsung's third generation GN sensor will probably be announced somewhere near the S22 series launch date. The GN sensor will offer bigger pixels, brighter 4K video in low lighting conditions, and 8K videos. The 12 megapixel ultra wide camera will remain the same. Take this information with a grain of salt. All this information can change at a snap of a finger. But if it's true that Samsung could be improving its overall quality of all of its phones. Now let's jump to the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch Active 4. At the Mobile World Congress on June 28th, and we have our first look at these watches. On links shows a edge-to-edge display and two buttons on the right hand side with a rubber strap and a redefined band fasten mechanism. In the image, you will see a rubberized strap is being used. You also notice there is no rotating bezel. Both watches will have a 5 nanometer processor and will use a new Tensor Wear operating system. Not to mention, the new joint effort will mean better life, load times, and the use of millions and millions of OS apps on your Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Active 4 will be offering two different sizes, 42 and 44 millimeters. Now the Galaxy Watch Active will come in 4 different colors. You have the black, the green, silver, and gold. Now let's reverse it all the way back. Probably around last week sometime. Remember the Galaxy S21 FE, you know, the Fans Edition? Well, Samsung has been saying it could be a delay due to chip shortage, which is no surprise. However, it's been reported that Samsung may have a delay until the fourth quarter of 2021, basically between October and December. Now, most likely, it'll probably come up around October, because if it comes out late December, people will probably skip out on the S21 FE, because the S22 is reported to come out in January of 2022. And also, guys, the question for today, are you still excited about the S21 FE? Let me know in the comments below. Me, honestly, I'm all about upgrading to the next level. I love the color options, but I think my eyes is on the S22 models. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you're OG, or like I said, if you're a newcomer, make sure you guys like the video. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my other content. Until next time, guys, I shall see you guys later.